been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive again.
I went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
Roll over. Stop
On March
resisting.
8, 2023, in Orange County, Florida, a traffic enforcement officer was randomly running license plates when he came across a vehicle registered to a woman named Jasmine. The system showed two problems. Her driver's license was suspended, and her vehicle had a state-issued cease tag order, meaning it should not be driven.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Melvin, copy of verbal control.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am.
The officer initiated a traffic stop to investigate. When he approached Jasmine, she immediately insisted that her license was valid because she had visited the courthouse just one day earlier. But the officer's records told a different story. Jasmine's license had actually been suspended 4 separate times, and she still had outstanding issues preventing reinstatement.
Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended, and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update it. If you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera tickets.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here? Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper. I did that to court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to show you something.
Okay.
I'll
I'll be right back.
The situation escalates. While the officer was reviewing documents in his patrol car, Jasmine decided she was tired of waiting and stepped out of her vehicle. The officer ordered her several times to sit back inside her car, explaining that Supreme Court rulings allow officers to control a driver's movements during a traffic stop for safety reasons.
Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I
Okay,
want. If I can
ma'am.
get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
to
says
get
you need to
back
get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in
Let
your
me
car.
see it. Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling.
But Jasmine refused, saying, "You're not my boss. You're not my dad. I can do whatever I want." The officer then informed her that, due to her suspensions and the cease tag order, her vehicle would be impounded and her tag and license would be seized. Jasmine became even more frustrated and emotional.
Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
through my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR
thing.
suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her if there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Until you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it from
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse so
Okay.
she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Backup was called.
You can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
You can't.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay everything. How are you going to talk? Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am,
I have 2 kids. I take care
Go
of
stand by your car.
And then you're going to tell me
Go
to
stand by your car. Go stand by your car.
I paid over
Okay.
200
Ma'am,
to the fucking car.
you're this close to going to jail.
Don't give a fuck.
Okay.
You're trying to take my shit.
You're this close to go to jail.
You're a fucking ass.
Go have a seat by your car.
When additional officers started arriving, Jasmine suddenly got back into her vehicle and tried to drive away. Officers rushed to stop her as she rolled forward and refused to exit.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
She was pulled from the car after a struggle. While on the ground, she continued resisting and yelling that she was being hurt. And at one point, the officer reported that she punched him, something Jasmine denied repeatedly. The officers eventually secured her in handcuffs.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get
That hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Get off of me, please! I'm only 130 pounds!
Stand up.
My arms!
Stand up.
What you did to my hands!
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Baby, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off! I
Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. I don't...
County 249. Show it the black female 1015. And then resume normal.
249. One time.
You guys okay?
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Need 3 units.
You got it. Count.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Time for a unit. Just finally kick it.
Huh?
Even once seated in the patrol car, Jasmine continued to argue passionately that she had done nothing wrong. She insisted she only left because she wanted to go to the courthouse and figure things out.
I got it. I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. Actually, not phone.
You take these handcuffs
Nope,
off
you're
me.
going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
now, and then
car.
when
I
you
was just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now
hit
it's battery,
you.
Leo.
It's a lie.
It's all on
I don't
video.
even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on video.
I don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
That's
it's all
a
on video.
lie.
You all right?
Are you?
Yep. You want to?
I'll enjoy the car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
24 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light, the light turned green. You
Ma'am.
pulled over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
Got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took some punches 'cause I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
$1,000 yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No,
Yeah,
yes, because
okay.
I'm going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because
to
with the
go.
traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't.
Yeah.
You don't have the right to leave.
Okay, so I'm
Schedule 30.
Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Well,
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do that.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done, and we will head that
You're
way.
so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me
Yeah.
a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just
I'm
one,
gonna
just
go
one
get
on
my
a
kid.
traffic stop, and she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded.
She lied.
She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh?
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to
I
jail.
did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. Can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
For you.
Nobody got hurt. No one.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two people.
Been a while, man.
And if it's a
Can I
DNR,
leave, please?
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got to.
She cried about her children, her financial struggles, and the confusion surrounding her license. But the officer reminded her repeatedly, you can't drive away during a traffic stop, and you can't fight officers who are detaining you.
In my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much do I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. And then you're gonna say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Want to go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament? Doesn't make any sense. I did my part. Went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me, so my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're gonna tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my fucking kids? Who's gonna put my fucking kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? If I get fucked, how do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see 2 car seats in the back. What the fuck does that mean? I didn't do nothing. No weapon. Nothing. So she threw a punch. She drove off. Yeah, to find out why the lady at the courthouse lied. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have. I'm fucking hero.
Jasmine was transported to jail and ultimately charged with resisting an officer with violence, obstruction without violence, fleeing and eluding. If convicted, she faces up to 5 years in prison.